I'm joined by Jason Korat, CEO of Despec. Jason, can you tell us a little bit more about Despec, what you do, and the products you have on offer on Jitex and beyond Jitex?
Well, Despec is the name itself stands for dealer specialist. We are actually one of the largest IT supplies concentrated distributor in the Middle East. We have been here for the last 15 years. And we are happy to be here in Jitex, specifically when the Jitex is celebrating 30 years. During this Jitex, we have a quite large area in terms of new products and all, where we are launching specifically in some brands other than in the mainstream brands where we are supplies, and now what we are doing is on the accessories and all, especially in the Imation, and even in Africa region we have some Symantec and all. So I think this is an event for us, and in going forward we have a lot of new brands we are going to add for having a value add to our business, especially complementing our supplies business industry.
What trends do you see starting to emerge in the region and within the industry in general, not just in this region but in all regions?
What we have seen that a lot of customers become more prudent, they have become very wise, and they see that business is not done like before, they are very strong purchase, strong forecast, strong vision on how do they business and what they do stock and all these kind of things. The whole business activity has been more prudent according to me. This is what the more trend in this market.
What clients or customers do you see are most proactive in embracing technology for their business?
See, we have customers, traditional customers, and we have customers from new regions where we started operation this year and last year, like we have in Jordan, we have in Lebanon, we have in Africa. So all these new customers adding new experience to us, and they are actually they are totally different from this region, So that has given us some kind of idea that okay, there are different types of customers where we can service better, and we make money, or probably we make a benefit on this kind of activities.
What challenges do you see that need to be overcome in the region or within the industry in general also?
See, the challenges are always there, but recently what we have noticed is the cash conversion. I would say this cash conversion is the issue in this market, where the people are stocking, and the receivables are taking long time. These are the issues which I think we are facing at the moment. So in effect, the cash conversion has to be improved to have a quality business, and I think we are looking forward that how to tackle the situation. This is what our see, and this is what the trend which we are seeing at the moment, and we need to sort out.
What would you recommend as the best practices within the industry?
See, in terms of best practices, I would say is that buy the right products, buy the right quantity, because this market is very much a mischieving market where people come and try to sell you everything. But if you are a right customer, if you are a prudent customer, try to buy what you want and try to store what you can, use your capacity. don't try to use overcapacity.
You think because of the economic downturn there's been a more cautious approach with regards to spending? People are now much more prudent with their spending?
Yes, indeed. Actually, the economic situation has changed a lot of dimensions in the market, where the customers become more dynamic, they are more prudent, they are more wise. And when you look at the overall business aspect, the trend which happened in the last 2 years has changed quite large in terms of our reseller market. We have received an award in last year in the reseller market, and we are probably the number one in terms of how to manage the customers properly. And the customers who are come to us, they don't leave us. That's the good part about us. And I think we have seen that the trend we understand better than our competitors.
Yeah, that seems to be the way. With the economic downturn, a lot of businesses are going back to basics, back to the customers, back to the ground, keeping things simple. Is Despec someone who concentrates a lot on customer service, customer feedback? I mean, is that?
Yes. Actually, this year beginning we have started a new department for it. We call it supply chain department. The focus on this department is to service the customer. How to better service the customer. We want to be more closer to the customer. The communication should be very clear. And for us, the customer is the king. And we created this department. We said, yes, in the past we were not very focused. Now in the going forward, we need to have a customer breadth. To have a customer breadth, we need to have a dedicated service department for the customers. And hence we have started this department, and we are quite happy that we are increasing the number of customers, and the department is performing superb.
So you think for businesses now it's about customer retention is more important than anything else?
It's absolutely true. The retention of the customers, bringing new customers, this is the strategy of our development, how to improve our customer breadth. Because it's not only bringing new customers, it's also keep the existing customers, retain the customers. This is very key for us. It's absolutely, when we look at our past, we were very much concentrated on vertical growth. Now what we are looking forward is the horizontal growth, where we need more territories, more customers, more relationships. This is what we are aiming for in the future.